Good morning, everybody. This is Priyakant from the Fundamental Research Desk. We are coming out with the new stock idea on the Oil India with the buy recommendation and the target price of 600, which offers 30% upside from the our recommended price of 460. Basically the key argument behind our the stock idea is the reserve which the company holds largely across the northeast region of the India. It's 1P reserve, if you look at, stood at a healthy 505 million barrel, and 2P reserve, which is proven and probable, it stood at 944 million barrel. This provides the healthy revenue visibility for the years coming ahead. In addition to this healthy reserve, the reserve replacement ratio also stood healthy at 1.42 times, which provides comfort for the future reserve accretion through the discovery of new blocks. Combined with the present reserve, the history of the finding new oil discovery also provide the comfort on not only on the revenue visibility but also on the revenue but also on the reserve accretion of the company. The second key point is that what we have seen in FY12 is that the under recovery has shoot up significantly, which result into the subsidy sharing burden got almost double for the company like Oil India. Now from here onwards, we have seen that some positive in terms of the crude price has corrected from the peak level of 124. In addition to the correction in the crude price, the likely increase in the prices of a petroleum product, this is expected to benefit Oil India in terms of the likely decrease in the subsidy sharing burden as compared to the what the company has taken in the FY12. So this is the likely benefit to the company. Further, in terms of the balance sheet, if you look at the company has a strong balance sheet with the healthy cash of over 11,500 crore, which works out to 191 per share of Oil India. Also, the dividend yield works out to very healthy. It is 4.3 percentage on the our estimated FY12, which we estimate 20 rupees per share on the post bonus equity. So all in all, the healthy cash level and the impressive dividend yield provides comfort to the investor, and also going ahead, the healthy cash will help to for company in the inorganic growth. Now coming to the valuation, we arrive at a 600 target price. It is based on the average valuation. We arrive from the method of a DCF, EV by EBITDA, and by using a PE multiple. So the average of these three methodology works out to 600 rupees per share, and the multiple what we have given in terms of a PE, we gave 10x, which is its historical multiple, and in terms of EV by EBITDA we gave 4.5x, which is also its historical multiple since its IPO from September 2009. By this way we works out to 600 rupees target price, which offers 30% upside, which we believe is a healthy upside from the current level, and hence we came out with the stock idea on Oil India with the buy recommendation. At the current market price, if we look at the stock trades at 7.5 times its FY13 earning and just 7 times its FY14 estimate.